America from the new way to educate people in this university. But since they study one of these diplomas, you can take a full course that would normally take a couple of years.
With that, I can finally stop going to school and skip to work instead. I can finally start earning money.
But don't think something as great as this will come at a low cost. With its price ranging from 200,000 to 3 million, depends on your course.
But when I finally saw that I can skip school and just get an instant diploma instead, my idea just got shattered by the price of the installation fee.
Juro, there's never an easy way to success. Why don't you just become a farmer like me?
Becoming a farmer will never be enough to get us rich. Hey Clarice,
Hey, Juro.
did you hear about the Mesa diplomas?
Yes, I heard about them. And yes, I did get an installation. I can't handle going to school anymore. So I just decided to pay up 200K so instantly graduate.
Same thing with me. I can't handle going to school anymore. The only difference we have is I'm not as rich as you.
I have an offer for you. Why don't you work for me so you can afford the installation?
Really? I've been struggling to find jobs because I have no diploma. Thank you so much for your offer.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm here to introduce to you our new COO, Denise Emiliano. Why don't you introduce yourself, Denise? Because I gotta go. Bye, guys.
Good morning, everyone. My full name is Denise Bismonte Samiliano, and it's my honor to be your new COO.
Hi, my name is Clarissa Monterey and I just want to congratulate you. But I'm sorry, I have to go.
Miss Frida, am I right?
Yes.
Why don't you get me a cup of coffee? Wow, you're so demanding. I thought otherwise because you got instantly promoted as COO. Of course, I did. Because I have 8 installed diplomas. This new generation just keeps finding ways to make life easier. Well, we have to work hard and dedicate a big portion of our lives to get a diploma. I could care less. What's present is all that really matters. In the present, I'm the new COO.
Hey, Juro.
Hey Clarice.
Thanks for working hard here again.
Of course.
Okay, great. Here's your payment for this month.
Thank you so much.
Oh, and by the way, do you want another job that pays higher?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great. Why don't you go home from now? Your graduation is in a couple of days, right?
Yes, thank you for appreciating. Thank you for considering my well-being.
Bye, Juro. Thanks for working hard.
Hey, Denise, why are you not doing anything? It has been a couple of months, and I've heard all the complaints from your co-workers.
So what? You can fire me. I'm your best choice. Because I have 8 installed diplomas.
My kind of COO is not just smart, but also hardworking. I thought wrong about you.
Hey, Mom Selma.
What is it?
I have a recommendation for you.
Oh, great.
I have a good friend who's working hard and studying even harder to help his family. Do you want to take him as our janitor?
I have something better in mind. Denise Emiliano, from now on, you will no longer have no right to work in my company. You are fired.
What? But you need me. Because I have 8 diplomas.
And what? All you have is some stuck up information in your brain and you lack dedication. So embarrassing. Tell your friend to come here next week and I have a big surprise.
Okay, Mom. Anybody home?
Okay, Clarice, what made you want to come here?
Hey, Juro. I have a good news for you. My boss wants you to come next week to his office.
Oh, really? Is that the job you were talking about?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much. I thought I was gonna struggle after my graduation. I appreciate it. I finally graduated, Dad.
Congrats! Let's celebrate your graduation and invite your friends to come.
Congrats, Juro.
Thank you so much. This is a big step for my future. I'm here for a meeting.
Oh, Juro, right?
Yes.
I want to hire you as our new COO because Clarice has been giving me positive comments about you.
What? Really? But I like experience.
Your experience will be built with your time here as our new COO.
Thank you so much. I thought I was gonna struggle finding a job after my graduation. I appreciate it.
Welcome!
With Jura's great dedication over the years of him working as a COO, he was able to achieve his humble dream of not living in poverty anymore.
Intelligence is not enough to live in a cool dog-eat-dog world. Dedication, hard work, and experience and a kind heart, it's what's needed to make an individual successful.